Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Smart and I welcome you to classteacher.com, and I'm your teacher here, and we have started a question and answer series in which we will discuss different questions and their answers. So as for today's, our question is the function of centrioles include. It's an MCQ question. We have four options given: organizing the mitotic spindle in the cell division, providing a vehicle beating motion to move substance along cell surface, serving as the site of ribosomal RNA synthesis producing ATP. So this is the question, and the correct answer of the question is option A, organizing the mitotic spindle in the cell division. To explain this in further, the centrioles are cylindrical structure found in eukaryotic cells. They are composed of microtubules and play important role in cell division. In particular, centrioles helps organize the mitotic spindles, which is a structure that separates the chromosomes during the cell division. The spindle fibers attach to the chromosomes and pull them apart, ensuring that each daughter cell receives a complete set of chromosomes. This is why the option A is correct. Centrioles do not provide a rippling beating motion to move substance along the cell surface, serve as the site of ribosomal RNA synthesis, or produce ATP. These functions are performed by other cellular structures such as cilia, ribosomes, and mitochondria, respectively. So correct answer is organizing the mitotic spindle in the cell division. If you have more questions to ask, you can go to the classteacher.com. There's an ask section. You can go to the ask section and ask any question you have into your mind. And thank you for watching the video. We look forward for your feedback. If you have any question, you can also mention in the comment section or post in the website, or search any relevant question in the website as well. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe with you or your friends and others. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next question, bye bye.